Baby, I like it, the way you move on the floor. Oh yeah, I like it. Never before. I'm wearing a turtleneck. Anyways, hi there. We are back at it again, transforming yet another one of my old, used human hair wigs. Honestly, this one is one of my favorite wigs already, and I know some of you are gonna be upset that I still didn't do a Brave cosplay. I'm sorry, and now you won't get one from me. I don't have many wigs that have such beautiful curls, you know? And so I wanted to do something that would just make this wig so much cooler in my mind. If you disagree, that is fine. And so today we are using Manic Panic dyes. All Manic Panic is vegan and cruelty free, and you can get so many uses out of these, so highly recommended. We are using Vampire Red, Infrared, and Hot Pink. Now, I am not going to be using just the hot pink. I'm probably going to be mixing. So let's just jump into it. Got the bowl, and I'm going to put the wig on my dyeing mannequin. You know, I am a messy person when I do stuff. Hey girl, what's up? Pull out my sleeves, and we're gonna take our gloves. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, what just happened? If there is a passed on spirit, knock. Nope. Okay, let's get this going. I really hope I don't get red on this shirt because I like this shirt, but I also think it looks good that I'm wearing it. I'm trying to keep the curls as they are because I want the curls to stay in their natural sections. There's gonna be no new curl grouping here today. Oh my god, it's so cute. I literally love this wig so much, and I really hope I'm not ruining this. I'm going to mix some pink. Yeah, and with some of the Vampire Red. Ooh, the Vampire Red is so nice. Yes, oh my god, love it. We'll make a couple variations of that. I mean, I don't want this to be like a pattern, you know, but I'll go do, and then we'll do different variations of that all around. Yes, perfect. And let's just coat her up. So cute. We're gonna do one of these front strands, a darker red. This is actually going so much better than I thought. You know, I actually really wonder what it would look like with just the pink on top of this, you know, natural red color. You know, like what would that look like? Maybe we'll just do like this one's like a little bit more pink. Oh my gosh, I get bored so easily. I should just chill. I need to chill. I feel like Picasso. I really do. Now that I've finished all the red strands, I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out, and then we'll see how it looks.
2 hours later.
It looks a little confusing, but I honestly have really high hopes. I just am going to let it air dry probably overnight, and then we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Okay. I think I love it. It looks so cool. Like, look at this. And the top, I'm honestly not even mad about. I thought it would look so bad, but Yo, I don't know how I do it sometimes. I feel like a mermaid. I'm mad that the curls didn't curl the same. Clearly there's still potential, you know? And look at how long it is. I'm just shook. We came here, we did what we had to do, and it looked better than I thought. A round of applause for me. Thank you. Thank you. But how well do you all think I did? Make sure to leave some comments down below. Let me know what maybe I could have done differently. Oh my gosh, maybe we can do the same concept, but with different colors. Oh my gosh, might be onto something. Maybe like purples? Oh my gosh, okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting way too excited. I'm getting way too ahead of myself. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to check out my wigs playlist. It will be up in the cards right now. And if you're new and like my style, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. And also check out my new post on Instagram featuring this beautiful DIY at home wig color style. I don't know what to call it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Ariel, move over! The new mermaid's in the house!